You suddenly wake up, unaware of where you are. The last thing you remember is navigating the postsynaptic cleft, the motion being second nature to you. In the dark room, you reach out, feeling a chain connected to your foot. The other end is bolted to the floor, not far away. Your body feels as if all the muscles have been contracting, and it is the most excruciating pain you've ever felt. You are acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter made up of a choline and an acetate group, involved in the activation of motor neurons in the nervous system. Too much of you results in a continuous muscle flex, not unlike the contractions you are feeling now. A light overhead flickers, and the room starts to come into focus. You recognize this place from the warning stories as the catalytic triad basement of acetylcholinesterase. But nothing could have prepared you for the horror that you are living now. The inevitable realization dawns on you. You are here to cleave off your acetate from your choline. You look longingly at your acetate group. Some would say it resembles a foot. You inspect it, wiggling each toe, running your hand up the ticklish part of your instep, around the rough skin of your heel, and finally to the chain wrapped around your ankle. The longer you inspect, the more pain you are in. If you don't remove the acetate, you will not survive much longer. Within reaching distance, you notice a serine saw. You feel the identification serine 200 carved into the handle, and as you run your hand down it, you also feel trypsin 84 and glutamate 327 farther down the handle. Hyperventilating, you grab the saw. The increased oxygen helps you focus on what you have to do next. The serine from the saw binds to the carbon of the acetate in the ankle, in addition to a hydrogen. As the oxygen on acetylcholine bonds to the hydrogen on serine, the intermolecular bonds break, causing the acetate molecule to be bound to serine, while the choline is free to diffuse away. After having cleaved the acetate, you drop the saw. You hadn't noticed it earlier, but a broken pipe is dripping water directly on the saw, washing away the evidence of what happened and dislodging the acetate from the serine. Despite what you had to do, the contractions subside. You are able to make it to the door, acetate in hand, in search of somewhere or someone to reattach it.